God damn it, I fucking hate myself. What is good, people? It is your favorite P&B rock type neck YouTuber back with another video. This is part 2 of the women's wear pickups that I've done for the past 3 weeks to a month. If you haven't seen the first part, you're just going to see that. It was all the tops. And today what we're going to go through is the pants and the outerwear that I found. I have 4 pants and 2 coats, and let's just hop into it. I feel like a $2 whore asking this, but if you could subscribe, like the video, that'd be great. I'm trying to grow the channel. So first up for the pants, we got these vintage Lee jeans. Originally, I was looking in the men's section, saw these, looked at the fit, saw it was like a slim straight fit, and I liked the washed black color. And I said, screw it, why not? I don't really have a slim fitting pair or like a slim straight fitting pair of jeans. So bought these and then brought them home and I tried them on and I thought the waist, I thought the inseam was pretty short and then the fit was just kind of odd. So I looked closer and then realized it is a size 10 petite. I already bought basically the same exact pair. It might have been a different wash or a different treatment, but it was a black pair of petite Lee jeans. I got rid of those. I don't think this is the same one, but maybe. I do like the fit. The only problem is they are a little bit short, and maybe I would have liked it to be a little bit smaller, but hey, I could just taper them. If you're a guy shopping in the women's section, something you should be aware of is you kind of got to be careful because sometimes the pants can be a little bit hippie. I don't know if you can see this. It's just around the hips. It's a lot hippier. You'll often see this because women have wider hips than guys, so you just got to keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're not getting anything too drastic. That'll look weird on you. So for number 2 on the pants, we have these black Talbot pants. Talbot's, it's a random brand. I'm not really too sure about it. The reason why I picked these up were because, as you can see, it has this flocking detailing, which is basically an adhesion to the pant. The floral and paisley print is a velvet, so it's got some texture to it, which is why I liked it. They were wider fit, so I did end up tapering them. It's now got like a 6-inch leg opening. I wanted them to be a more slim fit just because I wanted to wear them at more formal events, and personally I just like a slimmer fit. Some other detailings on the pant is you got some darts at the front, more darts at the back, and then you have this little flap at the waistband. The only thing that I don't like about these pants, there's no pockets whatsoever, so I'm gonna have to wear a jacket of some sort with these guys so I can fit my wallet and all my other shit in there. So for number 3 on the pants, we have these white / cream beige leather trousers. I found these in the women's section, and at first I picked them up as a joke and then saw the fit on the hanger and I thought I had to grab these. When I first looked at these and first tried them on, it kind of gave me something Kanye would have worn in like 2014. You have an elasticated waistband, which the elastic has been so worn out that it doesn't work anymore, so I have to get new elastic and put that in. You have front slant pockets that don't go too deep, but I mean, at least these guys have pockets. It's definitely a slim fit pant. I think that's probably like a 6-inch leg opening, and then you have some seam detailing in the front and back of the leg. You just have this one slanted seam. I'm super excited for these because I think I'll definitely get a ton of wear out of them during the fall and winter, and it'll be perfect. The only unfortunate thing about these guys is, like the Talbot's pant, there are no back pockets. We do have those front ones, but still it would have been nice for back pockets. I always put my phone and my wallet in my back pocket. All right, so last up, number 4 for the pants, we have these straight fit leather trousers in this forest green colorway. I was in an antique shop and they didn't have too many clothes, but what they did have in the corner was this pair of pants, and I saw them and I thought they were so sick. They're pleated trousers, 2 darts in the back, 1 on each side, and of course no back pockets, unfortunately. The fit on these is a lot straighter than the white ones that I just showed off before. When it comes to leather, I have now a little bit of a variety. These are the first 2 pairs that I've actually picked up that are leather and I've wanted for a long time. Besides the pleats on the pants, something I do really like about this, just like the white ones, you have these slanted seams both on the front and the back. I think it's just a nice little detail that's being included. Something I forgot to mention with the white ones that are the same with the green ones, you do have this, what seems to be like a silk lining inside, so it's not like your skin's not on the suede. It has this a lot more silkier feel to it. All right, so first up, what we got for the coats is this floral, oversized suede collar jacket. This is a triple XL Susan Graver. I have no idea what that's from. I've been wanting a jacket that the fabric is basically upholstery fabric, just because I think the texture in it is so gorgeous and sick, and just having those prints on a jacket is so sick to me. This one, unfortunately, is more of a shorter coat. I've definitely been wanting a longer one, but it's a good starter piece. You have this floral print all over. You have the green leaves with the it's green, orange, and red flowers. This is a pretty oversized coat. The shoulders aren't dropped, but it's just very roomy. You can tell in the side view. You got the simple button front and with that suede black collar, and then the under collar, of course, you have that fabric again. The only thing that's kind of a bummer is the sleeves are a little small. I wanted to roll them up, but it kind of gets a little too tight when I do so. But I'm sure I'm gonna be able to find some good wear out of this and match it with a couple nice pieces. All right, so last up for the coats and for the entire video, we have this Native American print Sherling collared jacket. I love this jacket. This or those white pants might be my favorite in this video. There's so much to go through that I love about this pant, or this jacket, you fucking twat. For starters, you have this Sherling lapel on the inside, and then the jacket itself is like a faux suede, so it's super soft. You have this awesome like yellowish beige quilting on the inside, which I think is such a sick little detail. The jacket itself is a double XL and it fits so perfectly on me. It's just like perfectly oversized. It's super soft. You have this charcoal gray like faux suede with this Native American print on the sleeve, and then you have this seam and then more of the charcoal suede. I just love the overall fit. I know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of this fall and winter. This one was such a great piece to pick up. That is it for the video. Thank you for watching. What I hope you figured out is that you can be a guy and shop in the women's section and find absolute amazing pieces. Just those white leather trousers and the Native American print jacket should alone show you that you can find amazing pieces that you'll be able to wear and pull off easily. I mean, some of these pieces don't even look like they're from the women's section, but they are. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this entertaining. Again, please subscribe, please like the video, comment what your favorite piece was, comment what you hated, any criticism, any feedback, talk about my long neck, I don't really care. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.